How to enter student previous balance. Today we will discuss about how to enter student previous balance in ZamaSchool software. First of all, go to the fee module, then click on a single student fee. To enter student previous balance, you can search the student by his enrollment number, name, father's name, registration number, or if you have no knowledge about these details, you can simply select him from the class. Let's say we want to enter student previous balance of enrollment number, like for example 322. Then to enter student previous balance, click on add previous balance, and let's say we want to add 500 or 1000 rupees to current student. Just write the amount and click save balance. The balance will be added. Now let's click on apply fee and add fee for the month of July. Select due date and add fee category like monthly fee. Now let's click on apply fee. Now click on receipt 1 and you will see in the arrears field of July 1000 rupees are added to the monthly fee and the total is 3500. Similarly, click on receipt 2, select July and click on get receipt. You will see 1000 rupees are added to the previous balance. Hope after this video you can easily enter student previous balance in ZamaSchool software. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need any help, call us on our registered number in the description.